Communities came together in celebration of the 4th of July, also known as Independence Day, which wouldn't be complete without the downtown fireworks extravaganza over the city of Rochester.
Absolutely. Christian Garzone was there for the big show and spoke to folks on the ground looking up at the sky glowing red, white, and blue. He joins us now live from Exchange Boulevard with more. Christian.
Yeah, for 20 minutes in the city of Rochester, you could not hear a dirt bike anywhere. All you heard were these wonderful fireworks going off that and the oohs, the ahs, the cheering as the city celebrated 247 years of the USA. With this setup, white hots, shrimp, and beer in the back of his pickup, you know Steve here has done this before.
We love the city. We love to be here on Independence Day. We love to be with everybody.
When he thinks of our nation, he lights up as bright as a firework.
I just love being an American. I love doing everything I can. I'm so patriotic.
Ben here said compared to the rest of the world, America is a standout.
I'm sure on day-to-day we complain about a lot, but in the grander scheme of things, really just have nothing to complain about.
Christine said the fireworks show is a touch of e pluribus unum. Out of many, one.
I think the best part about it is seeing everyone come together in this city and seeing us all here to celebrate something really fun and just being together and having a good time.
Dan has been coming here ever since he was a kid. Tuesday was about making sure his young one catches some of the excitement.
Kind of recapturing that with my daughter and seeing what that's all about, getting back to the city, what it used to be like down here.
Joni brought a van full of grandkids and pizza for this spectacle. She said the 4th is for family.
This is, the big bang of, of the end of the holiday and celebration, of course.
But not everyone here can enjoy the fireworks. We caught Eric on his way to work at Dinosaur Barbecue. But Eric, proud to be working in the land of the free. While some will be chanting USA across the nation, he has his own little slogan. Here it is.
You can't spell America without Eric.
He's right. God bless America. Happy 4th to you and yours. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you, and thank you to Eric. We were told this afternoon, if any kids out there know the exact number of fireworks that were set off in the city of Rochester, they can email the city, and if they get the answer correct, apparently there's a prize.